Hey guys, Sarah from lifeshouldcostless.com here, and today I am going to show you how to properly clean up broken glass. At least how I do it. Cleaning 101. Why? Because we live at a time where we're at 2 or 3 generations of both parents working outside of the home. There's nothing wrong with that, but it sure does leave an awful lot of kids not knowing how to do basic, simple chores. So that's why I'm here. Can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, so in order to show you guys how to clean up broken glass, I've got to make some. So here we go. Ouch! Hit my toe. Ow. Owie. Okay. Anyway. Ouch. Okay, don't try that at home. Okay, so if I hear broken glass at my house, I am always yelling at the kids, don't move! Because, like, that way nobody gets cut. So if I'm in the kitchen and somebody breaks something, I usually have my oldest child run and get me some shoes and throw them at me. I'm always barefoot in the home, except for now, because I knew I was going to be doing this. Clearly I needed clothes to Anyway, so I am going to be doing some voiceover for this part because it'll be too hard to do it and have intelligent conversation or instruction. Anyway, here we go. As we have already comically established, put on some closed-toed shoes, and then you are going to pick up all of the large pieces of glass and put them either in a dustpan or directly into the trash. And then you just go through and you take a little broom and you sweep up all of the remaining larger pieces of glass. Oh, and before I forget, if you could please like this video, share it, and also click that little subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. YouTube won't start paying me for these tutorials until I reach 1,000 subscribers, so every little bit helps. Thank you so much. Next, you can either use a vacuum or a broom, and you are going to sweep or vacuum up all around the edges, and then you go through and you vacuum or sweep the whole floor. And then you actually do this twice to be very thorough and make sure you get everything. And you need to make sure that if you're in a large room, you go several feet further than how far you think the glass actually went. Your feet will thank me later, I promise. Anyway, so after that, you actually get out your mop and you mop the floor. This may seem a little overkill to sweep twice and then to mop, but I find that it is essential to do all 3 steps, sweep, sweep, mop, so that you are getting every single microscopic piece of glass up. And that's really all there is to it. See, it wasn't that hard. So make sure that if there are any other cleaning tutorials that you'd like me to do, that you comment them to give me ideas. My cleaning series is probably going to take me another year or 2 to get through because I'm doing all the basics, and then I'll do some intermediate cleaning and even some of the more deep cleaning and advanced stuff later on. Anyway, thanks so much for stopping by.